Guys, this is a simple video. We're going to be explaining how to install T5, or there's different models. There's T4, 2. It just goes up.
They're the same.
Yeah, this was like $70. We got it from Lowe's. It's called 7 Days Programmable Thermostat, extra large read display. Let me just do this so you guys can pause it and read at your own time.
Now we're doing this because we couldn't find anything on YouTube how to install this. So we took our time, did it the old way, read the directions. But now we're gonna show you guys how to do it.
There's a lot of bad reviews and people will be like, I don't know how to mode this. Yeah, this is how to install it, not program it. Okay, guys, just so you know.
Yeah.
So we got this right here. Look. So this is where the old previous one was. We broke it out. We took a hammer, boom. But this is what you guys want to do. See that? It's simple. Take the yellow wire, put it to the Y. That's called yellow. Put the G,
put the green to green. It's simple.
Red to red.
It's color coded.
White to white.
If you have different wires, now that's we don't know how to do that.
Yeah, this is what you call this is 1997 home. So it has simple wires coming through the wall. So if you have a different wire, sorry, we cannot help. But if you have these same wires, yellow, white, green, and red, right now, take a screenshot of this and
just
plug
the wires in. That's that simple.
Once you plug it in.
But remember to put this switch, there's a switch here, just put it up.
Yeah, there's a switch here. It's called 1 wire, 2 wires. This goes up and down.
I don't think that's important, but I still do it anyways.
And once you do that, close it.
And then just simply install.
What you first do is put wires through here and then take the wires out and then plug it where it needs to go. And then take the thermostat. So you can see right here, there's pins and wires. And then you plug these two together. So what you want to do is drill 3 drills. There you go. And then you're gonna put this right here with the help of these. Put these in, and then you literally just screw these in here. This comes with the thermostat, so you don't need to go searching for these, okay? Okay, what you want to do, you put these anchor points where you drilled it. Just make it tight, make sure it's tight so it won't come loose. That's what holds this whole thing together. And then you're gonna align these and put those bolts through here. And then it goes tight into those anchors. It's very easy, guys, so follow these steps, please. Okay, that's first, and then we got 2 more left here. This already is super tight, Okay. So look how tight it is now, guys. It's not going anywhere. And now, finally, what you just have to do, take the thermostat. This one takes batteries, but okay. And then make sure you do this properly. Voila. Man, it's very tight over here. See, it's not moving anywhere. Okay, now how to turn on the fan and whatnot. All right, this is mode. This menu, as you can see, fan auto, off, time. All right, now let's just say you want to turn on the heat. You click here. As you can see right here, this is gonna go up and down. There's gonna be different settings. Boom, there, heat. And then if you want to put
there's the heat 80 degrees. You could lower it or make it higher. Tell them that.
Yep. That's like important. This. Once you click here and put it to heat, it says heat on, and then you hear a click sound, and that tells you that heat is on. Now, if you want to put it to cold, you click here. See that? It went drop down to cool. Let's do that again. Off. Click here again. Heat.
So basically, this button right here is the most important one.
Yep. So now it's in cool, and look, it says 66 degrees. You can lower it down. This goes down as low as 50 degrees. And then right here, this is the fan settings, this button. You
the
click
highest
here.
this will go to is 90 degrees, guys.
Did you hear that click? You click here, it says fan on. It says fan circulate. And then you could put it auto. Here, let me put it to heat. You're gonna hear the click. You have to wait a few moments.
The power is not on, remember.
Yeah,
also,
the power's
you
not
can
on.
change the time with this button. If you want to adjust the time, you press this button.
And then this is to go to the menu. See, it's here, let me focus. It says menu. And then from here, you could program. You could program time, date.
We made this video because we literally went to a video of this and people were hating on it. And I don't wonder why they were hating. But
Yeah.
This is a simple setup, very easy to do. It's actually, this is a good thermostat. It's
Yeah,
very
right.
cheap. But
Right now
we
we have the power off when we're installing this, so that's why you can't hear the turn on and off.
Go ahead and buy it. We're not sponsored, obviously, but go ahead and buy this. This was $70 at Walls. Lowe's. I mean, I said Walls. Lowe's.
Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys. It's easy to figure
Not
out.
inexpensive, guys.
Even if I didn't explain what you wanted to know, you could go ahead and do that at your own self. It's so easy. You'll figure it out. Like, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. All right, guys. So that's how you install this thermostat. Very easy. Hopefully this was helpful. This was only how to install it, not program it, because we have to figure out how to program it ourselves.
Remember, we just installed it ourselves.
Right. When we do finally figure out how to program it, we'll make a video. So if you want another additional video, please hit that thumbs up so we could do that also. Hopefully you guys subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day, yo.